Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best empty lotion tubes is probably one of the most underrated travel essentials. We've all been there, struggling with bulky bottles or leaky containers. These tubes offer a sleek, convenient solution for carrying your favorite lotions, creams, and gels. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a gym enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates organization, these little tubes can revolutionize your routine. Join me as we dive into the world of empty lotion tubes and discover why they deserve a spot in your travel kit. Number 5. Flip It, 2-pack premium bottle emptying kit. Are you tired of throwing away money with leftover product? This kit helps you get every last drop. It's designed to eliminate waste and save you money. This kit includes 2 base caps and 6 adapters. It fits most standard plastic bottles. You can use it with shampoos, lotions, and more. With this kit, you can access every bit of product you've paid for. No more shaking or pounding. It simplifies the process. Simply replace your bottle's cap with this one, and stand it upside down. Gravity does the work. Open the valve and squeeze for easy dispensing. This product has been featured on Shark Tank, QVC, HSN, and Good Morning America. It's a favorite product for a reason. What we like. This kit ensures you get every last bit of your favorite products. It's perfect for those expensive shampoos or lotions you don't want to waste. If you're tired of struggling to get the last bit out of your bottles, this is the perfect solution for you. It's easy to use and fits most standard bottles. What people say. Easy to assemble and use. I was able to get out use every drop of the lotion. So easy to put on and use. Can now not waste all that lotion that is left over in the bottle. Holds the bottle upside down, allowing gravity to move the product downward to the device's spigot, from which you can access the lotion. Works on multiple sizes of bottle tops. Number 4. Travel Bottle Set, TSA Approved Leak-Proof Containers. This travel bottle set is a practical solution for your travel needs. It includes various containers to hold your toiletries, making it a must-have for any trip. Inside the zipper box, you'll find everything you need: bottles, jars, spray bottles, and more. These diverse containers allow you to bring all your favorite beauty products. The leak-proof design protects your luggage and clothes from spills. Its unique shape ensures you can use every last drop of your products without any waste. The wide mouth design makes it easy to fill and clean. You can easily pour in thicker liquids and clean the inside with a brush. The bottle cap features a no-drip valve, ensuring you dispense the perfect amount every time. It prevents leaks and makes the product convenient to use. All accessories are packed in a handy bag, perfect for travel. It fits in any small space, saving you toiletry space and making it easy to take on the go. What we like. This travel set is designed to be leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills in your luggage. The wide mouth makes it easy to fill and clean. If you are a frequent traveler, this set is a must-have. It's compact, convenient, and keeps your toiletries secure. What people say. The bottles are colorful, well-made, and have a nice texture. The silicone bottles are truly leak-proof and easy to squeeze, which makes dispensing products simple. The kit includes bottles and jars in multiple sizes, 1.4 ounces, 2.1 ounces, 1.8 ounces, etc., making it easy to pack everything from shampoo and lotion to creams and sprays. The clear, zippered carrying case is compact yet roomy enough to fit all pieces securely. See product layout on page 1. Each squeeze bottle is made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone with leak-proof valve caps, ideal for carry-on use and compliant with airport liquid rules. The design includes suction cups and wide mouths for easy refill and cleaning. Page 2 features images of usability. Multiple container sizes for diverse toiletries. Durable, BPA-free silicone material. Secure leak-proof lids. TSA compliant with transparent storage bag. Easy to clean and refill. Number 3. Shapenty 10 ml clear plastic cosmetic sample tubes. These Shapenty tubes are perfect for travel or home use. They are designed to hold cosmetic samples, and you can easily see how much is left inside. Each tube holds 10 milliliters of product. Its mini size makes it easy to carry around. Made from clear plastic, these tubes are lightweight and durable. They are ideal for dispensing various products. You can use them for facial cleansers, hand creams, and other cosmetics. It's a great solution for your travel needs. The package includes 30 tubes, perfect for DIY projects or sharing samples. They come with a flip lid for easy dispensing. What we like. These mini tubes are perfect for carrying small amounts of your favorite products. The clear design lets you see how much is left. If you like to try new products or need to carry small amounts for travel, these are ideal. They are lightweight and easy to carry. What people say. The tubes are easy to fill. The tubes are great for travel. The tubes are the perfect size for samples. Number 2. 24 PCS 30 ml translucent plastic cosmetic lotion tubes. These tubes are made of durable, reusable plastic. It's safe to use and free of harmful chemicals. You can use it for a long time. The flip cap makes it easy to open, and the soft tube is easy to squeeze. This design makes it convenient to dispense your products. These tubes are lightweight and easy to carry. They are perfect for travel, business trips, or everyday makeup use. Create your own samples with these tubes. They are ideal for storing your favorite lotions, creams, and other skincare products. These tubes are great for filling with serums, creams, lotions, and moisturizers. It's a versatile solution for your cosmetic needs. The package includes 24 translucent tubes, each with a 30 ml 1 ounce capacity. They are made of plastic, offering a practical and convenient solution. What we like. These tubes are easy to squeeze and have a convenient flip cap. They are also reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to store and dispense your lotions and creams, you should consider these. They are perfect for creating your own samples. What people say. The tubes are perfect for travel and are easy to fill. These tubes are great for lotions and creams. They are easy to squeeze and the product comes out easily. Number 1. VASANA 100 ml empty refillable cosmetic tubes. These are the VASANA refillable cosmetic tubes. They are perfect for travel, allowing you to bring your favorite products with you. It's a convenient solution for your travel needs. Each bottle holds 100 ml, with a compact size. This design optimizes packing space, making it ideal for carry-on luggage or gym bags. The dimensions are perfect for travel. The flip-top cap allows for easy, single-handed use. The secure snap feature ensures the cap stays closed. The tube's pliable construction allows for controlled dispensing. The integrated spiral threads work with the flip cap to create a tight seal. This design helps prevent leaks during travel, even with pressure changes. It keeps your items secure. Made from white plastic, these tubes are durable and easy to clean. You can refill them multiple times with various personal care products. This makes them a sustainable choice. These tubes can accommodate a wide range of viscosities. From liquid soaps to thick creams, it provides organizational flexibility. They are perfect for all your travel essentials. What we like. These tubes offer a generous 100 ml capacity, perfect for longer trips. The flip cap makes dispensing easy, and the reusable plastic is environmentally friendly. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient solution for your travel toiletries, this is a great option. It's durable and easy to clean. What people say. They are perfect for travel. These are great for lotions and creams. The tubes are easy to fill and dispense. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.